With the accelerated update and improvement of HarmonyOS 6, the public beta plan has also been exposed, and it is expected that October will be the big adaptation stage of HarmonyOS 6 public beta commercialization, and as soon as November, we will be able to see the official version of HarmonyOS 6.0 online, and in the past 2 days, the second phase of the HarmonyOS 6 development version has begun to push a new patch package. According to the latest news, the size of the patch package pushed by the second phase of the 6.0 development version is about 317 megabytes. This patch package is mainly optimization, improving the user experience in some scenarios. It is recommended that users update as a development version and at the same time add the upgrade of the patch package, which means that the improvement of HarmonyOS 6 is greatly accelerating. I believe that the overall user experience of the public beta version of HarmonyOS 6.0 in October will be more mature. In addition, from the upgrade news from user feedback, the previous version of the development version is still 6.0.020 beta 5 in the API interface, and after this patch package upgrade, the API interface has been fully upgraded to 6.0.0.20. There is no beta logo at all, which means that API 20 will be directly upgraded in the subsequent public beta. More functional improvements will be accelerated, advanced functions will also be decentralized, and native applications will also get a significant opportunity to improve, so stay tuned.